Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. No, I am Xavier, the math scientist. I'm so sorry that I haven't done a video in the last few weeks, but I was sick. I was doing schoolwork. I was playing zombies with my father and all sorts of other activities. But now I finally get the chance to play some Prodigy with you guys. Okay, so we're gonna do River Deep. Okay, just I lost 19 charged levels. What? Oh come on, that's unfair. Why would something like why would do something like that to me? Anyway, today I'm gonna be doing the Puppet Master. Okay.
You're still here?
You're still here? Yes, I am still here. What to do? Look, head to the stylus and lamplight tower. Okay, I didn't know that at all. Yeah, okay, so
Prepare yourself,
prepare
wizard.
yourself.
I have a
I
few
have a
tricks
few
up my
tricks up my
sleeve that will
sleeve that
leave
will
you
leave you amazed.
amazed.
He don't he has some music, but anyway, don't you cackle at me? Don't you cackle at me? It's good to cackle. Again, wow. God, just Unfortunately, guys, I am still recovering, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little different, but I just can't help it. Okay, I got correct. Let's use fire barrage. Okay, I made I made all three attacks, which is kind of what I was hoping for. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, not bad at all. I'm gonna go with icicle piercer, and boom. Okay, so now it's up to my main wizard. Okay, let's see. Um, I'm gonna go with this one, and oh, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna do two, and I somehow got that correct. I mean, of course I got it correct. Okay, let's go with Starbit. As you can see, he's weaker than Starbit. 310 damage. Okay, that move is kind of annoying because it takes away while you move.
Try not to hit your own friends too hard.
hard, and he's got take away one of my pets, which is also somewhat annoying. And also, we don't want to hit one of our pets because we're hoping the puppet master will give it back sooner or later. Okay. Okay, let's go with this and this. Dimension 1. Ouch. Why would it give me dimensions? It's just. I mean, I know I got most of your questions right, but still, it's just so unfair. Okay. Right. Let's go this and this and go dimension 2 and got correct. Okay. Start it on him. Boom. 310. Again. That was the most exciting damage. Oh! That was crazy. Oh, guess I picked that.
You don't
Okay.
stand a
Don't stand
chance against
my magic. Ow! Oh, my fireplace down to is almost dead. That is not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Okay, I'm gonna get on again. Man. Well, dimensions is kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. Let's oops. Let's go with this and this and go with dimension 1. Oh boy. Wow. Dimensions is the hardest thing I've done. Okay. Start it. Okay. Okay, and I paused it. Okay, cool. Then to launch, I'll put
What your shadow magic
Or
destroys, her astral powers can
astral
restore.
powers can restore. Oh. Loot fully regains all of our health and just back all of our moves, and now we can use his strongest power. I we got the all-out attack. Let's see how much damage this baby does. Okay. Okay. Oh, he's in the guys. Do you see that? Oh. Ow.
Fancy spells won't save you now.
Oh. This is super annoying because he heals because he stores 1,000 health from himself. You know, that is just uncalled for. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. How about the ice stick with Wilson? Okay. Boom. Wow. No offense, but I think why are they so much weak? Why are they so weak? I don't understand it.
Ah, I don't understand how.
They don't do that. Seriously? Thanks my pet again? Why? Why do I even bother find him? And then he takes some health from
Give
me.
up! My
Yeah, right.
Okay, nice insult. I guess. Okay, do this. And let's focus her. And boom. Wow. I am
You are strong, but not strong
enough. Oh. Man. I used mythical epics, but it still wasn't enough. This is the only move I get? Why? Game, why? Who hurt you? And just like that, we lose. Well, that was disappointing. Another adventure. Huh? It was unlucky the more treasures. Ooh. Well, that didn't work. I mean, that could have gone better, but man, that was disappointing. Was that him? Was placed with him, and okay. Okay. Oh, E needs to level up. And kaboom! Bing bang boom! Just like that, he's fully leveled up. I'm gonna choose you. Let's see. Okay, just let's see. Um. Okay. I think I'm actually. I think I'm actually going to Let's see what the this one does. Okay. Flame burst. Don't ever do. Hey Race, I appreciate you all watching, but I will create another video very soon. But Race, I appreciate you all watching. See you later. Bye.